carbon dioxide laser. Laser is classified into 5 types. One is solid state laser, second one is gas laser, third chemical laser, fourth liquid laser, fifth semiconductor laser. In the type of laser, there is gas laser and semiconductor laser is important. The gas laser, it have two laser. One is helium neon laser and carbon dioxide laser. So this carbon dioxide laser is a gas laser. Okay. So in the carbon dioxide laser, there is explained vibrational energy levels of a gas molecules. A carbon dioxide molecule has a 2 oxygen atom between which there is a carbon atom if as 3 different modes of vibration given as follows. One is stretching, symmetric stretching mode. Second one is asymmetric stretching mode, and third one is bending mode. These 3 modes takes place in the vibrational energy level of a gas molecules. Okay, so let us discussing one by one. So symmetric stretching mode, here this line represent molecular axis. Along the molecular axis, 3 atoms are oscillate. One is oxygen and here oxygen through away carbon atom. The oxygen atom oscillate along molecular axis. Okay, the carbon atom either approaching towards or departing from the atom simultaneously along the molecular axis. So in this state, carbon dioxide molecule energy, what happened here, that is main point. Carbon dioxide molecules will have an energy that is intermediate as compared to that in the other 2 mode of vibration. Other 2 mode of vibration, this type mode, carbon dioxide molecule will have intermediate energy. When the 2 oxygen atom oscillate along the molecular axis, it's either as carbon molecule either approaching towards or departing from the atom simultaneously. So this mode is have intermediate energy. Second one, asymmetric stretching mode. In mode, all three atoms oscillate along the molecular axis, but the 2 oxygen atoms move in one direction. Okay, move in one direction, but carbon atom move in opposite direction. ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟಲ್ಲಿ the asymmetric stretching mode, carbon dioxide molecule, it will have higher energy. Okay, bending mode. In the bending mode, there is 2 oxygen atom. 3 atoms oscillate normal to the molecular axis. 2 oxygen atom oscillate in one direction from the molecular axis. Carbon atom is displaced in opposite direction. Okay, so in this state, carbon dioxide molecule will have lower energy. Okay, CO2, it have lower energy, and asymmetric stretching mode will have higher energy, and symmetric stretching mode will have intermediate energy. So next is construction and working of carbon dioxide molecule. It is important part. It have also energy level diagram. Okay, so this is called discharging tube. This is discharging tube. The discharging tube, it consists some other part. There is a discharging tube is have diameter. Its diameter is 5 millimeter and 1 meter length. The discharging tube have some gases, that is CO2, N2, helium. These gas are mixed in the ratio, that is 1:2:3. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಮೂರು ಗ್ಯಾಸಸ್ ಈ ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದ and also there is add hydrogen or water vapor molecules also added to the discharging tube, because during discharging means what? That is due to release energy. So at that point the hydrogen or water vapor molecule will be acted. So ಹೇಗೆ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸಿ, ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಇಂಟು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮೊನಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್ and oxygen. Avoiding this point there is to be added hydrogen or water vapor molecules. Okay, when we add these two molecule to the discharging tube, carbon dioxide molecule break into oxygen and carbon monoxide. Okay, and the discharging tube also consists two mirror. One is fully silvered mirror, second one is partially silvered mirror. Okay, so fully silvered mirror, partially silvered mirror, this two mirror is acted some part, and this is also consists two Brewster windows. See, this is Brewster windows. What is the use of the Brewster window? That is, Brewster window, it acts light. It is convert to plane polarized light. When it transmit the light inside the discharging tube, that light is convert into plane polarized light. Okay, and fully silvered mirror use is, there is light is transmit from the fully silvered mirror, that light is reflect from the fully silvered mirror. Okay, but in the partially silvered mirror there is light transmission. During light transmission it absorbed some part of light from the partially silvered mirror. So it is trapped 1% of the incident light from the partially silvered mirror. Okay, this is construction of the discharging tube of carbon dioxide laser. Okay na? So ಈ discharging tube ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು Brewster window ನ add ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು. fully silvered mirror and partially silvered mirror, all are attached to the discharging tube, and some other part also there. Okay, that is represent construction of the discharging tube.